There's our open diamond pattern, and you can see how all the strands in the center are folding outwards instead of going straight down. And that's it. Hey guys, welcome back to Bohemian by Emma. Today I'm going to show you how to make an open diamond pattern. So like our basic diamond pattern, we're going to start with the middle two strands, and we're going to be using our left cord as our filler cord, so the right one will go behind. And again, we're going to be making double half hitch knots all the way down in a diagonal for the top right half of our diamond, as we did in the basic diamond video. And if you want to see the basic diamond video, I'm going to link that below, as well as my video on all the basic knots you need to know, which includes the double half hitch knot, which we are using for this diamond. So we're going to make double half hitch knots all the way down in diagonal until we get to our last strand. And here's our last double half hitch knot on the top right half of our diamonds. And you can see now we have a nice diagonal. And so now we need to take the left top half. So we're going to take the cords behind our filler cord and make double half hitch knots going in the opposite direction. So we're going to keep making the top half of our diamond just like it was a basic diamond pattern. So here's our last strand on the left, and we're going to make our last double half hitch knot on our left top half of the diamond. So here's our last double half hitch knot. You can see we have a nice right and left top half of our diamond. So now we have two groups. We have the right half and the left half. And to make an open pattern, we're going to use, again, this right group. So we're going to take this cord on the far right is going to be our filler cord, but we're going to use the center cord here to start. We're going to put it behind and make a double half hitch knot. So we're kind of going backwards with the cords that we're using to make the double half hitch knot, and that will create a nice open diamond. So the next one we're going to put behind, and we're going to make a double half hitch knot. And we're going to take our last one, which will have been the cord closest to the filler cord to start, and we're going to make our last double half hitch knot. So now you can see we have a nice right bottom half to our diamond. So we're going to do the same thing on the left. We're going to take the center cord on the left and we're going to put it behind our filler cord, and we're going to make a double half hitch knot. Then we're going to take the next cord and make another double half hitch knot. And then we're going to use this last cord and make our last double half hitch knot. And you can see now we have the bottom half of our diamond on the left. You can see how the strands in the center are now folding outwards, and we have a nice space in the middle. So because the top right half is a little bit longer, again we're going to make the bottom left half a little longer, which means the left cord will be the filler cord and the right one will go behind into the final double half hitch knot. So there we go. There's our open diamond pattern, and you can see how all the strands in the center are folding outwards instead of going straight down. And that's it. So again, if you want to see the basic diamond pattern, that's going to be linked below in the description, as well as my video on all the basic knots. Also, be sure to subscribe and check out my Etsy shop in the link below. Thanks for watching!